Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And guys, in the last video we had discussed with the bridge rectifier, how current flow in the bridge rectifier. Today we will see the effect of capacitor connection and disconnection at the output. So you can see here there is a no filter capacitor at the output. So what will be the waveform at the output without capacitor we will observe, and with the capacitor we will observe. So you can see here this is the AC source, this is bridge rectifier, and this is load. So as I told you in the last video that at the positive cycle two diode will be forward bias and two diode will be reverse bias, and same in the negative cycle another two diode, this and this will be forward bias, this and this will be forward bias, and this will be reverse bias. So in the first positive half cycle the current path will be this this and this. So you can see here this diode and this diode will be in forward bias, and this will be in reverse bias. And in negative cycle what will be the current path? This and this. So you can see here in the negative cycle this diode and this diode will be forward bias, but this diode and this diode will be reverse bias. There will be no current in these diode. Okay, so now we see the simulation. So you can see here this is the input AC signal and this is output signal. So in output you can see that there is a one positive cycle and one negative cycle becoming positive voltage, but there is a gap here. You can see here up to here this is the voltage level, but here and here this is the voltage gap. It is because there is a no capacitor at the output. If we connect the capacitor at the output, this gap will be flat. Okay, up to some limit it will fill this gap, because capacitor will charge at the positive cycle as at the DC voltage at this, and will discharge at this gap. At this gap capacitor will release the energy, so you will get the at least continuous DC voltage at the output. Now we see, we connect this capacitor. Okay, now we run. So you can see here capacitor gave some straight DC voltage. This is the DC voltage output. If you increase more capacitor value, then this gap will be more straight. DC voltage will be more straight. So this is depend on DC capacitor value. If capacitor value is less, then gap will be more. If capacitor value is exact according to the frequency and design, so here will be DC straight line. So capacitor calculation is very important in the rectifier. So I hope you got this point and you got something to learn. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the another this type of video. Thank you.